Hey everybody, it's Drew here with a public service announcement. Your focus on AI is misled. That's right, it's not that AI isn't cool or isn't coming, but guess what? If you're looking to make an investment in manufacturing in the next 5 years, unless your manufacturing revenue ends in billions, you don't need to invest a cent in AI. Where you need to put that money for ultimate ROI and efficiency is investing in your HI, your human intelligence. Give access and information to the control engineers and the operators on your factory floor today, and you will see returns far beyond anything AI promises. Here's what we need to do. We now have disjointed systems from the last 30 years littering American manufacturing floors. We need to bring that data together in a cohesive spot, aggregate it, and then give it a simple data model and look at it as time series data. Can you imagine if your operators could see all variables at a given point in time over the last shift, how much more powerful they would be, how they'd be able to find extra efficiency and pinpoint root cause analysis of any problem you have? If you gave them that power, if you empowered HI and invested in HI as opposed to AI, you would get a far bigger return, because more than what accounting is going to do with that information if you interconnect these with AI, more than what you're going to have to pay a data scientist to do to train a model to find at the source the people that know your machine by sight, smell, and probably taste. If they could get this information, the efficiency they could add would be overwhelming. So as you think about where you make your investment in automation in the next 3 years, think about investing in HI. And here's the dirty little secret. Whether you're looking at HI or AI as a long-term strategy, data access is still the first spot you start. Build a foundation. If you first give your control engineers and operators access to this information, you will have implemented the systems that will allow you to maximize AI as it matures in the future. If you want to check out some really cool tools about empowering your HI at your factory, being your control engineers and operators, check out our Historian product we just launched. It is a perfect way to get time series data from your Allen Bradley PLCs. Viva la HI!